Beneath the moonlight, here I stand, thinking of your smile, soft and grand. Your shadow dances in the gentle air, making the night feel warm and fair. Moon will keep my heart tonight, hold the feelings I can't speak right, through the quiet, through the gentle longing. Your light remains softly comforting. Stars are shining, watching us in peace. Remember